Welcome to a thrilling journey of discovery. Every moment here will make you say, no way, that's unbelievable. Get ready to witness today's most spectacular scenes. Let's dive in. A massive boulder tumbled down a mountain slope, landing just meters from a car. Luckily, no one was hurt, but a chilling reminder that landslides can strike without warning. In northern Afghanistan, a powerful earthquake triggered a massive landslide in Drosh, Pakistan, proof of nature's destructive power. Oh my gosh.
Doesn't hit the well.
In Omaha, violent winds uprooted trees and crushed a car.
There it goes.
My car!
Thankfully, no one was hurt, but it's a strong reminder to always seek shelter when storms hit. In Cross City, Florida, strong winds and heavy rain battered the town. The safest place was indoors. A water heater fell from a rooftop just seconds after strong winds hit. Luckily, no one was walking below. In Texas, ice fell from above and smashed into cars. Always stay alert in freezing weather.
Oh my God. Holy crap. I hope nobody's walking on the road. Don't walk on the sidewalk.
Oh gosh. In Kyoto, shards of glass rained down from the station ceiling after a powerful storm. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Lightning lit up the skies in a dazzling flash, a dangerous kind of beauty, reminding us to stay cautious during storms. Comment the number 1 if you jumped just like I did. In Unionville, Pennsylvania, the roof of a barn was ripped away by fierce winds, a strong reminder to reinforce before storms strike.
Oh my God, I can't see anything. Oh my God, my mirror! I caught that on video!
A trash can lid flew off and slammed into a car's side mirror, proving how quickly chaos can unfold. Dozens of dolphins leapt alongside a boat, a natural performance that left everyone cheering in awe. I'd be so happy if you left a like and hit subscribe. It's the best way to join me for more incredible videos ahead. Wait, where's this water coming from? Can you guess what's happening here? A towering moose stood firm, staring at a couple, as if it were checking tickets at the entrance to its forest.
Don't look him in the eye.
Security cameras caught a barrel rolling across an intersection in extreme winds. Never underestimate the power of nature. In just moments, violent gusts lifted and toppled a massive tree.
Oh my God! I got it on tape! I got it on tape! Oh my God!
In California, a fireworks factory exploded violently, shaking the ground and serving as a serious warning about fire safety. In Dallas, a transformer explosion rocked the area, startling everyone nearby.
Whoa!
A chemical plant blast in Pennsylvania sent flames soaring and triggered safety alerts across the region. A heart-stopping moment in San Marcos. A plane made an emergency landing right in the middle of an intersection captured by a Tesla camera. On a California freeway, a small aircraft touched down between cars. Unbelievably, everyone was safe. Unreal dash cam footage caught a plane crashing right in front of a car in Texas. In Russia, a Sukhoi superjet caught fire during an emergency landing, a sobering reminder of aviation risks. A colossal dust storm loomed over West Texas, turning the skies deep orange and cutting visibility to almost zero. From summer paradise to nightmare in minutes, Camp Dells was hammered by a violent tornado. The skies darkened, the air grew heavy, nature's way of reminding us never to underestimate its power. Oh my gosh.
Matik wallahi. والله متك جا دفا ولا دفا
Have you checked your home's gas system lately? Today's explosion in Viña del Mar was a serious reminder not to ignore it. Oh my gosh. Not only can this parrot talk, but its intelligence left viewers stunned. An unforgettable moment, a dog raced across the water on a mini jet ski full of excitement. A puppy cowboy. Yep, riding a horse with a little pink hat looking cooler than ever.
Who's the best dog?
An unfinished building crumbled before completion, highlighting the importance of construction safety. In Utah, melting snow triggered a landslide, dragging homes down in seconds.
My goodness.
What remains of the Morandi Bridge in Genoa has now been completely leveled after the tragic collapse. Dust clouds rose and swallowed the Texas sky in a deep orange haze, a rare and unforgettable scene. In just moments, a raging tornado shattered the peace of an entire town. Oh gosh.
Uy! Uy! Oh my God! Kakusugan na, oy!
Always stay alert at rail crossings. One careless mistake can lead to disaster. A senior man dashed across a highway, narrowly avoiding disaster as a driver swerved just in time. A reminder to stay cautious when walking near roads. One slip of the foot on the gas pedal caused immediate chaos. Always drive with care. Chaos erupted inside a movie theater in Ecuador as dozens ran for safety when the ground suddenly shook. In Southern California, a home security camera caught two dogs panicking as a powerful quake shook the house. Tornadoes ripped through Arkansas, Kansas, and Oklahoma, leaving destruction across multiple states. A clear warning to always seek shelter in severe weather. In northwest Houston, a huge fire erupted, sending thick black smoke into the sky. Overnight, firefighters battled a raging wildfire in Los Angeles County, racing to contain it before it spread further. On the Kentucky River, floodwaters ripped away a dock and slammed it into a bridge. A heart-stopping scene to witness.
Okay.
An entire town in France was swallowed by floods, leaving locals in shock at the unbelievable sight.
Jamais vu. Ça a l'air comme ça, ici, j'en ai eu mon canon. Ah non, moi, ça, je ne l'ai jamais vu. C'est hallucinant.
Off San Diego, bottlenose dolphins leapt and spun gracefully, like a true work of art on the ocean stage. On Fire Island, the skies filled with millions of migrating swallows, a breathtaking natural dance across the horizon. On Bondi Beach, a mysterious creature washed ashore, leaving locals baffled. Can you guess what it might be?
Oh yeah.
A flock of birds painted a living masterpiece in the sky, like a magic carpet floating above. Blagoveshchensk shook as a violent tornado tore through, leaving destruction and heavy damage behind.
Да я вижу! Ой-ой-ой! Мама!
Oh. Oh my gosh! That is coming down, dude. Yeah.
In McKenzie County, Wofford City was hit hard as twisters destroyed trailers and vehicles.
I know. Gosh, dude. What was that? No, it's not. Look at this dirt. Holy crap.
In Texas, cameras caught 2 lightning strikes crashing down as storms swept across the state. A clear reminder to stay indoors when danger looms. Wow.
I don't know.
In West Virginia, roads in Ohio County were covered in mud and debris from flash floods, causing widespread disruption.
I don't know which one's yours. That'll be it. We will just get down in the pit. Let's pop and do this.
Pikeville, Kentucky was devastated by severe flooding. Water rose so high, the streets completely vanished. In Enderlin, North Dakota, a powerful storm spawned a massive tornado, a sight that left everyone shaken. Off Peloponnese, not one but 2 massive waterspouts spun upward at once. A natural performance both majestic and terrifying. In Manhattan, a massive crane suddenly collapsed, a chilling reminder of risks in crowded urban areas. A motorbike skidded onto the tracks, leaving the bike destroyed, but the rider walked away safely. A terrifying scene as a train derailed during a sharp turn. Thankfully, passengers escaped unharmed. Do you know what phenomenon this is? Share your thoughts in the comments. In Surabaya, Indonesia's second largest city, a busy street collapsed into a giant sinkhole. Drone footage captured Argentina's soul wells, two massive sinkholes carved out by underground rivers. In Llano, Texas, the river overflowed and engulfed entire neighborhoods, transforming the county into a sea of water.
I told Kara if she can get out, she can get to me.
I called that principal at 20 after 12.
In Maryland, flash floods forced an elementary school to evacuate. Cars were submerged halfway underwater. A truly frightening scene.
At 12:20, so you better let them kids out.
Yeah, perfect. I got a phone crack. I'm gonna go on.
When everything seemed calm, right before police eyes, a massive waterspout suddenly formed in the middle of their patrol.
I'm right over here tonight if you need me to. Clear. Make sure that's all you tonight. 22nd Highway Walk, 62, just wait.
Off the coast of Oxnard, a rare shot captured surfers, hunters, and a unique camera angle all blending into one breathtaking moment. Thank you for joining us to the very end. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible moments ahead.